Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a 1973 Plymouth Roadrunner. Now, this beautiful car has an original 340. It's an original 340 car. Started out here a little different. I got the hood open, trunk open. I'll show you what I got right off the bat. 340, automatic, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Fender tag, I do got a picture of that. It will be on my website. Very nicely detailed engine compartment. The engine has been overhauled. The transmission has been gone through. That's what the previous owner has told us. The car runs good, goes down the road good. It's just a really nice car. B5 blue, white stripe, meet. Correct wheels with Cooper Cobra Radial GT raised white letter tires. Beautiful blue interior, bucket seats, factory center console, automatic on the floor, of course. Beautiful blue interior, dash pad's in good shape, seats are in good shape, carpet looks nice. Got one little tear here in the door panel. Door jambs are in good shape. Paint's nice in the door jambs. Headliner looks nice. Back seat. Oh. There we go. Back panels. Package tray. Super solid car. It's in very good shape. A few little imperfections. It's got a little bubble right here. You can see it's got a small little ding right here on the trunk lid. Inside the trunk's very nice. I should have held on to that. This is a very nice, I'd consider it a driver quality car. Is it perfect? No. But it's super nice car, very clean. Win your trophies at your local car show. I'm sure of that. But we're not going to ask perfect money for this car. We're probably going to price this car at $37,900. Again, this side's real nice. Fire it up for you here quick. Left turn signal, you can see it out there flashing on the fender. Right turn signal, see it out there flashing on the fender. The one thing I know we got to do, we got to fix the horn. We ordered a new horn for it. Haven't put that on yet. Again, door jambs here, nice as well. I will price this car $37,900. I think that's a great price on this car. Very nice looking quality car. You can see a little divot right here in the paint. Tail light, license plate light, turn signal. Exhaust sounds nice. Rear spoiler. Just a real nice Roadrunner, everybody. $37,900, 340 automatic, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, dual exhaust, rally wheels, white letter tires. Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kenyonauto.com. It's got the hood pins too. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in purchasing this beautiful 73 Plymouth Roadrunner, give me a call, or maybe one of the other collector cars we have in stock. Give us a call today, 563-452-2450. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. I hope you all have a great afternoon, and I'll be right back with you with another great collector car. Thanks, everyone.